हेलो, नमस्कार। मैं हूँ रूपसेन मार्च जनसत्ता में स्वागत करता हूँ आपका। देखिए यहाँ पे मैं वी रिन करके यहाँ पे एक ब्यूटी टेक एक्सप्रो नेस्को सेंटर में। तो यहाँ पे एक एग्जीबिटर है ग्रिसिल सिल थॉमस करके है, और दूसरे उनके चेयरपर्सन है एमडी मैनेजर एमडी है। तो सर मास्टर जनसत्ता यू मोस्ट वेलकम। नाउ दिस डे टुडे इज द गोइंग ऑन ब्यूटी टेक एक्सप्रो इज गोइंग ऑन नेस्को सेंटर दैट वन, and you are the exhibitor, you are the MD and chairperson that one. We Green, you are a company about the cosmetic and hair different product is you are. You tell about your company, sir.
Hello, sir. I am hello. I am Ri Jae-sung. Hello, I am Ri Jae-sung from South Korea, doing business in India with this Cyril Thomas here, my friend. So basically, our company name is RM. What RM is? We are bridged from Korea to India. Just not a bridge, a beauty bridge. Right now, Indian beauty industry is skyrocketing, and there's a lot of demand in Korean products from Korean brands. But just any Korean brands? No. As a Korean myself, I go to Korea, I curate all the brands. I bring only the best brands for Indian skin and Indian market. And here we have V-Green, Movani, Mujinmedi, Judimer, and Daily Chai. These are our best products and brands we have, and we are proud to introduce them to you.
What your product is? How useful that one people? The product is
All the USP we have in this exhibition is all different. Because in case of V-Green, it's a very vegan and clean brand. Movani is a very aesthetic but affordable brand, which is giving a concept of beautarier. And it gives not only skincare, it gives a care in your life. Judimer is a very high advanced dermatology brand. It gives a very deep skin absorption, and it's very innovative technology. Helps you endures your skin. Daily Chai, most of the people really love this brand because it's a shower filter, not just a shower filter, vitamin C shower filter. The water you use will change your life different. The water you use will become a vitamin C water, not just the water. So it's very innovative, all of the brands we have.
okay. Another chairperson and coordinator is there. Grill Thomas is there. Sir, Master Jansatta, welcome Master March Jansatta. Today is going on Beauty Tech Expo is in UNESCO Center. And tell about your company, sir. And which companies are the product the useful that on the people, and what is your message that one? Okay.
So India is a huge population. So we have a wide range of demands. So based on that, each brand has a different product to offer to us, and each one has a different USP or different use. So I think you need to get to know more of the brands, and if you get an opportunity, you should buy more of it. And we are looking more into distribution kind of range. So we try to bring the Korean brands to India so that we get to know more about the K-pop culture is very prominent in India, and this is a good opportunity for all of us.
Okay. What kind of the product you are launching, and which products are going on that are useful that are male?
Yeah. So that's what I said. We have a lot of demands and needs. So based on our needs, so as Jason had explained, V-Green is completely vegan. They have the products vegan. Then we have Daily Chai that gives the vitamins. We have a lot of water problem here, the hard water and all those things. So what if you get vitamins from the water? Daily vitamin intake, so through the skin. So that is one of Daily Chai. And then Judimer, that one helps in clinically and scientifically proven things. So it's more of a scientific based advanced technologies. So that is what we have to offer. And Mulvani, it's a huge sector. Everyone loves luxury, but when it's affordable, it's great.
Okay, sir. Today Beauty Tech Expo is there. From the Beauty Tech Expo, how you feel the Beauty Tech Expo, and what you want to give a message to your visitor or client from your company?
So these expos help us to grow a lot. You need to get to know more about the other cultures and all those things. So this expo has helped us to meet a lot of buyers. We know the customer's interest. We are getting to know what India wants, and we are trying to cater to their needs.
Okay. What is your message, sir? Visitors, what is your message?
Visitors get to know more about us, and we try to bring more to you.
So what we do is very
okay,
simple.
sir. Okay. Coming to the chairperson, MD, that one. Sir,
one more word.
What you want to give message from this expo and people?
So what we do is very simple. Korea's innovation and technology meets India's market and demand. Korea loves India. I know that India loves us, Korea.
Okay.
So we meet together and we go together. We grow together. We go to the next generation. and we'll go together. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. You are connected with the Maharashtra Janasatta News, and best wishes from us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Thomas sir.
Thank you.
थैंक यू. मैं हूँ रूप सेनानी, महाराष्ट्र जनसत्ता, नेस्को सेंटर, ब्यूटी एक्सप्रो, मुंबई. Excuse me, 1 minute. Just 1 minute, sir.
हमारे पास नहीं ये वाला, ये तो बहुत पुराना है, ये वाला टेबल तो नहीं लेना।